Hadian balami ke jingdawa na kibabon ki kunhun sang bhalang ki kunhun kli nong sansar snong bat kumju na kiriu pajba ban PYNKYLLA la ne ban wengshwa ya ka MoU kabala dep ban yasoi hapadang menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya bat jongka Assam habai dei ba karukom PYNBEIT pot PYNBEIT sam kabala dep hakawat ka baningkong hapadang ki ar jela ka Meghalaya bat Assam. Menteri rangba ke jela CONRAD konggal sangma mentaka singi ka laipuai tarik unailar ar haba crunch kilar pathai kubor uloong banadu kasingi ke baningkong la crunchai baya ka MoU kabala dep banyasoi on amla shu ban PYNKYLLA HYNREI ki don pat KATTO KATNE ki benta ki barit ki baria ki bala ban PYNBEIT HYNREI ban weng ya ka MoU kabala dep banyasoi kadei ke ke bamla ban le SHUH uloong ru balada pej na ka wei ke benta kadei ke basngotenan hakaba kum ka jela hadian san posnam la yo ban PYNBEIT ya ka ne ka jing kabala la slam bat kadei ke bahab ban sngotu badei ban yetrailang ban wanra ka shongsuk shongsngain hakithain khapot jongka jela Meghalaya bat Assam.
The revoke doesn't arise. So we have been very clear from day one that the MoU has been signed and there's no question of changing that. Apart from that, of course, there are certain smaller issues that need to be ironed out, and we will explore the option of finding out if there's any way to accommodate or look at some of the areas which may be just close by. Some adjustments can be made, but in principle whatever has been decided has been decided. So I have been very clear from day one of this entire talks that this is a problem where we have seen for the past 50 years people of the state from both sides have been suffering, and hence we were very clear in our mindset that we need to resolve this problem. A lot of governments in the past tried, but they did not really take the step further. Discussions were made, but no concrete step was taken. So therefore we took that concrete step, and I should say it's a historic one, and it was something that was long pending. While we started working on this, we also made it clear that we will not be able to find a perfect solution. There's never a perfect solution in complicated situations like this. But we assured the people that we will find the best possible solution that is there. And if you look at the entire MoU and if you look at the entire way it has been implemented, the state of Meghalaya has gained in a large number of places, and maximum of the villages where we had put on our demand have come to us. Maximum demands that we had from our side in terms of critical spaces and locations, like for example the cemetery and the graveyard in Maikuli, for example the football field in Maikuli. These areas have come to state of Meghalaya, and many other locations which are very crucial and critical for the people's perspective have come. Are there areas of concern? There will be. As I said, it's never a perfect situation. There are two states, and we have to keep in mind both the states, and accordingly we have to move forward. So that's the way it will be, and as I said, there's no question of us reviewing or revoking the MoU. These are the Block 2 area and the Block 1 area, and the rest of the 6 areas, which is Bordwar, Motwar, and Lampi, Block 1, Block 2, Khanduli, Pisiar. These 6 locations, the talks have only started now, and therefore it will be not correct to jump to conclusion and say this is coming and this is not coming. Let the talks proceed. The committees will be formed and announced very, very shortly, and once that is done, they will go and